In this video, we're going to recap the still point, the invisible wall, and then we're going to add variation where Andy gets out of my way and I walk through the invisible wall. So we're going to recap the still point and invisible wall concept first. Ready, here we go. And rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. So in the last variation, I have walked through the invisible wall because Andy's out of my way. So take a look to see how much Andy travels. So leaders, take a look to see how far Andy travels from the invisible wall. Ready, here we go. And rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. We'll see you in the next video.